Testing has already become part of our lives. Now, if you get COVID, you'll be offered this. Run by the UK Health Security Agency, it's a chance to test your antibodies when you first get the virus and then 28 days later.
The government is wrestling with the decisions this autumn around booster vaccination, who to boost. Knowing individuals who don't mount an effective or a very high antibody response may be clinically useful because they could be singled out for vaccination. So a much more targeted vaccine program could be possible than what we're doing at the moment, which is just saying everybody gets vaccinated.
Health Secretary Sajid Javid said he was proud to see all parts of the UK uniting around this new initiative and working together to arm ourselves with even more valuable insights into how COVID-19 vaccines are protecting people up and down the UK. Latest figures have suggested that over 90% of adults in England have got antibodies.
Tear the white strip off and then just seam it together and that's the test completed.
But Sunday's COVID numbers still show over 32,000 cases in the UK. Events like the Mela Festival in Luton are feeling the impact. 2019 was the last time it was held. It's again been cancelled. This weekend, Wardown Park should have been packed with thousands of people. But because the rates of COVID here in Luton are slightly higher than other parts of the east of England, the organisers decided only last weekend that they had to cancel. Just another sign of how the virus is still having an impact on the way that we live. In the park, we met Tina and Tracy and their mum Jean, who has dementia and lives in a care home. They're still restricted on how they can see her and hope antibody tests would change that.
It can't be that complicated because the other tests aren't complicated, and it just makes you know where you are, make you feel safer when you're out and about if you know that you've got good cover in your antibodies. So yeah,
hopefully it will get them out of the home.
Yes.
8,000 tests a day are going to be available for people who test positive. All of it vital information for the government as we brace for potential new variants and another phase of vaccinations. Rhiannon Mills, Sky News in Luton.